If I was a college student all over again and I needed extra income, I needed a side hustle. A clothing brand would be the #1 thing that I would do to get some money, no doubt. So here's where you have advantage as a college student, because you're already in a place where there's a lot of traffic. So you don't have to go out and find traffic. You don't have to go out and find a place to sell your shirt set or to get your shirt seen, because you have thousands and thousands of students, thousands and thousands of staff that's already on campus that can see your clothes. So versus having a website where you have to go out and find people and draw them in to come to your website. So you have an advantage as a college student. That would definitely be one of the things that I do to start a side hustle, would be starting a clothing brand on the college campus. You can have a black shirt with the logo on it. They sell real fast. Like, everybody gonna buy a black shirt. Everybody got some shoes to go with a black shirt. And like, when you go get them screen printed, most times they're gonna want you to have at least like 24 shirts as a minimum. So you might as well just go ahead and find you like 20, 25 people on campus to wear them. That's how you're gonna start your brand. Just some free game. A black shirt with the white logo is a bestseller. So now you have your people in your brand, you have some high quality products, and everybody's gonna be asking what your brand is about. So the next thing you gotta do is just market your brand on the campus. So now that you have a plan in place, you got your people that's gonna wear your shirt, you got your shirts, and now the income that you make from the shirts, all you're gonna do is just reinvest it and buy more shirts. And you can actually turn this into a legit business with an LLC. If you don't know how to get an LLC, I'll link it in the description. It wasn't hard at all. I would suggest go ahead and get one if a clothing brand is something that you really want to do, because it has a lot of perks once you get up and running. It's beneficial in the long run when you start ordering bulk t-shirts from Net 30 accounts, when you're setting up a bank account, business bank account. Also, you want to make sure that you take high quality photos in the t-shirts. High quality photos. You have a t-shirt, you have a nice logo, you have nice photos, you have people rocking the brand. So hope you got some inspiration from this video. I hope you were inspired to start your side hustle on campus, get you some extra money as a college student. If you gain some knowledge, value, gems, information from this video, if you like these type of videos, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Definitely hit the like button, because it'll boost me in the algorithm.